What's the meaning of bloodletting? Bloodletting. Bloodletting.
Bloodletting. Bloodletting. Bloodletting is a medical practice of removing blood from a person's body as a form of treatment for various illnesses. The practice goes back to ancient times and was believed to balance the four humors in the body, which were blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. It was thought that imbalances in these humors caused disease and removing blood would restore balance and health. However, the practice fell out of favor in the 19th century when it was found to be largely ineffective and even harmful. Today, bloodletting is only used in rare cases, such as in treating certain types of hemochromatosis.